Hi everyone, Damon here from Boat Evolutions, your local Flexiroof shelter agent for Whangarei and surrounding areas. We're back today to catch up with Jessie and her family, where I installed this Flexiroof about 3 months ago, just checking in to see how it's going for them and why they chose Flexiroof.
Hey Damon, great to see you again.
Hi Jessie, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So Jessie, tell us why you got us involved and what you wanted to achieve.
Well, we just wanted to make more use of this outdoor area and take advantage of that beautiful view, but it's just so hot here in the summer and it's just so wet in the winter. We wanted an affordable option that would fit in with the style of the house.
Yep, it's a great opportunity to use all this outdoor space that you have for 4 seasons living. Now that you've got your Flexiroof installed, what do you like most about it?
I just love the design. It's sleek, sharp and clean. It's cozy but still open. We can sit out here, rain or shine, look up at the clouds. It lets in a lot more light than we thought, so there's really not much change in the lounge at all.
That's right, we use a 3mm polycarbonate sheet, subtle grey tint, blocks out all those harmful UV rays while still allowing plenty of light through. So it makes it quite pleasant to be out here all day.
And it's great knowing that we can bring our new baby out here in the midday sun and that he's not going to get burnt.
For sure. So how do you feel that having a Flexiroof has changed your outdoor lifestyle?
Oh, it's great. We spend so much more time out here. It's like it's added a new room to the house. So we have barbecues, dining and lounging, watching the sunsets, and then when it gets too dark, we just switch the LEDs on.
Yes, the LED lighting is another unique feature that we can offer. As you know, all the wiring is hidden within the framework, and the LED lighting is great to extend your evening living and entertaining year-round.
Yeah, we love it. It's made such a positive change in our lives. We were hardly out here before, and now we're out here all the time.
That's great to hear. So this is Flexiroof, New Zealand designed and manufactured, and customised to suit your property. We offer a 15-year warranty, so we stand behind the product. If you're wanting to know more, please get in touch.